Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's January the 1st, 2023. We're going to talk about HBAR today to see if it can make a major comeback in 2023. Now, what do you all think? I mean, the price is right there around 3 cents, 3.5 cents, and I mean, you only could go to zero, right? So the major comeback will have to occur sometime in 2023 in order for us to really grasp the understanding to see if HBAR is going to be one of those cryptocurrencies that so many people are trying to hype up. With all the hype that has been garnered, with all of the hype that has been created, with all of the hype that has been seen, HBAR still didn't really give us the performance that many people expected. And you're still going to see the same type of content. Like, I just want to prepare you all that so many people on YouTube, on so many other different social media platforms are just talking about the market in one direction. Now, just imagine if those individuals told you to short HBAR when the market was up there around 45 cents and it's down at 3 cents right now. Like, you can make money both directions. I just don't understand why so many people are focused on price direction one way, and that it's going up. You can make money going down in cryptocurrencies as well too. So why not play that as well? So take a look. I did a video in HBAR right here on December the 21st. Still looking for the market actually to go down in HBAR, and what can I say? I'm not surprised to see the price in HBAR right now 0.0376. You guys can see just yesterday the market almost came down here to 3.5 cents like I originally identified on my video. So not too bad. If we were to gather the market now in HBAR, you guys can see that's 12% profit right now. On the low that occurred yesterday, that would now be around 60, almost 17%. Okay, so now, I mean, let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it 100. This is not a cryptocurrency that you want to come in and buy. Nobody is actually coming into the market in HBAR and buying this currency, because if it was, then the market wouldn't have fallen. Let me show you the 12 months chart. Because if people were really buying the market in HBAR, we wouldn't have seen this currency fall 87.5% over the last 12 months. We wouldn't have seen that if people really were putting money where their mouth was. Obviously, they wasn't doing it. We closed on the very bottom of that 12-month price bar. Take a look at it. Look at that. We are at the very bottom of that 12-month price bar, which kind of tells me that there is nobody who is really interested. At least there's not an influx of people trying to come in and buy HBAR right now. Let's just keep it real. It is what it is. Nobody. That is what the 12-month price bar is telling us. Now, when you see this on the 6 months, we should see the same type of idea. Look at this. The last 6 months. 3 months. Okay, so the only thing that's going to keep HBAR from falling further is where we've already been and where we've already seen the market come through and hold support, which is around, I would say, 3 cents, maybe 2.5 cents. That's it. Anything lower than 2.5 cents, we're going to come all the way back down to a penny, to where we were back in 2019. This is just something that we need to be prepared for in HBAR. Okay, so I think the market has flushed out a lot of the hype, a lot of the FOMO that people were seeing in HBAR all the way back in the hype years of 2021, going into the first half of 2022. I think that is subsiding somewhat. So I'm really focused on the price action in HBAR right around here. Okay, and I'm still going to be overall bearish, or at least expect price to consolidate in HBAR as long as the price trades below this level right here, which is around a nickel. Okay, so anything below a nickel, I'm just looking for price to consolidate, trade sideways, and continue to go down. I'm not looking for price to go higher until I see it break 5 cents to the upside. I'm just going to keep it a buck. Okay, now it doesn't mean that we cannot profit from price action below 5 cents or a nickel. We can still see opportunity for HBAR to go higher. But until we see the market go above 5 cents, expect more or less something like this. Just expect the market to do, let's just expect the market in HBAR to do this. Something like that. Okay. So now, the last couple of days in HBAR, you guys can see how fast the market just completely fell off a cliff right there on December the 27th. Now it's trying to find a bottom now. So what this is telling me that we may need to sit back and relax and let the market come to us. And let's see if the buyers are going to actually come into the market in HBAR here. But right here on the 5-day chart, like, I don't even like this 5-day price bar right here. because that is telling me that somebody in the market knows something, that they was in such a hurry to try to come in and dump their HBAR into the market. So the 5-day doesn't look bullish. The last 3-day price bars does not look bullish. Here it is on the last two 2-day price bars. The last 3 2-day price bars doesn't look bullish. So in actuality, this is a cryptocurrency that doesn't want to be touched right now. Now I'm going to give the market opportunity and time to try to find a bottom. Okay, because I think you guys can actually tell where the buyers have entered the market in HBAR, which is right here, which I do like. And we're still seeing the bullishness coming to the market in HBAR. So I could actually see price try to trend higher on an hourly time frame. But from a daily perspective, I'm not going to be massively bullish to look like price going to a dime or, you know, a nickel or 5.5 cents. I'm not going to do anything like that. But right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually play some strength into the market in HBAR. I'm going to look for the price to trend higher, but I am not going to be massively bullish. Maybe around 0.038, no higher than 4 cents. Okay, so let's see what that would give us if the market in HBAR was to go up to 4 cents. So this is only 6 3/4% move higher from where the market currently is. So let me go put this on the chart real quick. My first price target is going to be around 0.093. It's only 5% market move. That's my first price target, 0.039. My second one is going to be 4 cents, which is around like 7%. Okay. And my third one is going to be around 0.041 versus 9.36% move higher. So now let me go ahead and hold that there. So you guys can now see what my idea is. I'm just going to play this on a short time frame. This is not something that I'm looking to play out, you know, months and months and years down the line. I'm just seeing how the bullishness into the market in HBAR is definitely coming through on the hourly chart. So I wanted to come in and see how strong the market really is going to be in HBAR there. And that is it. We'll come back again later and see what the price action did in HBAR and see how high the price went against my price targets. And then we'll definitely talk about the market action, because I'm not really looking for too much in terms of a buyer's direction, like a bullish trend or a bearish trend. I'm just looking for more or less, like I said earlier, just looking for the market to consolidate. All right, so give me your thoughts. Hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel to get more simplistic content, understanding how the market's going to work without the confusion. All of my videos, I'm just looking at the price chart for what it is to try to get prepared for what's to come. You guys want to join me? Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.